Hi. So what happens to all those packages that the Postal Service can't deliver? Well, they put them in a big box and they send them to me. Oh, of course, I'm joking. This box came from a company in Florida called Fun Delivered. They sell unclaimed packages from the Postal Service. So we're going to take a look today at what they sent me. It is a 10-pound package and it is bulging at the seams. This is my first package from them. They go out of stock very quickly, so we're going to see how we fare with this first package. I'll give you a peek inside. Here we go. As you can see, it is loaded to the top with unclaimed, undeliverable packages. And first, let me show you, it is from Fun Delivered. So let's start with this first little package. No wonder they couldn't deliver it. No, just kidding. The addresses are blackened out for privacy. So here is our first treasure. Let's see what we have. We have, obviously, a genuine pearl necklace. That's a joke for folks. I'm sure that it's not genuine pearl, but it's nice. It's only the first one. Let's go to the second little package. And let's slice this one open. See what we have in here. And it is a very blinged out phone case. Look at that. Isn't that really spiffy? Not for me, but it'll definitely brighten up someone's day. Now on we go to package number 3. This is an interesting shape. Let's see what we have. I better put those scissors down. They can be an awful weapon. Let's see. We have something that is obviously wrapped in bubble wrap. It's so wrapped in bubble wrap, I'm not sure if I can get into it. Let's see what we have here. It definitely is tube-like looking. And this is very interesting. And now we have some masking tape that is on it. Let's see if we can get this off. All right, this is a very mysterious one. Oh, it is well, it's a piece of artwork. I am not sure exactly what this is, but maybe somebody out there knows. On to package 4. Let's see. Here we go. It feels a little squishy. Let's see what treasure somebody never received. Well, I am not good at determining what things are before they're unwrapped. So it sounds metal. It sounds kind of clingy. And, oh, look. It is a Coca-Cola beverage container. Wow. Oh, and there is a straw inside. See it there? Wow. And the lid screws on. Very nice. And on we go to package number 5. Let's see. Well, I must say that these things are all very well wrapped. These, by the way, are not returns. These are items that somebody somewhere ordered but had the wrong address, or they moved, or for whatever reason the Postal Service could not fulfill delivery. Okay, I don't know what this means, but it says Abdu Garcia. It's a pouch. It is tied. Let's open this. See what's inside. I hope I don't have to edit this out. Oh my goodness. Oh, Fisher people out there probably know about this. This looks to be a fishing reel. Wow. Wow. I wonder if I also got a pole. Well, we'll see. Let's keep on keeping on. We still have plenty in here, 10 pounds of it. So let's try a box this time. And it's really, really sealed, but this particular box wasn't shipped like this because there's no label on it. So let's see. Good things come in cardboard boxes. So let's see what we have here. Oh, look here. Bubble wrap. Bubble wrap is very therapeutic. This is something that obviously needs to be put together somehow. There are no instructions or no identifying marks of what this might be, but it does come with some put together accessories. So if anybody out there knows what this might be, let me know in the comments, because I don't know. We only have 2 more packages left. Gonna do another box, and I bet this might be a book. Just a wild guess. It's a book, it's a book, it's a book. Let's see if it's a book that I can show in the camera. Oh, okay. This is nice, this is nice. It's The Dizzy Cook. And even on the back it says, learn to manage migraines through the food you eat. Interesting. Nice. Looks like there are nice pictures in it. Very nice. Very nice. So far, very pleased with these items that were never delivered. I'm keeping it real, people. And now for the grand finale. Oh, this is big and this is heavy. And this was not delivered. It says RTS and a bunch of other things on it. So let's see what we have here. Oh my goodness. Isn't this exciting? I can hear your excitement. Oh. Of course, it's taking me forever. This thing is really taped. Okay, I think we have a bag of shoes. Let's see. We do. We have a bag of shoes. And I know you're all out there saying, well, show us the shoe. So here we go. Oh my, it's not a shoe. It's not a shoe. It's a very long boot. Oh my gosh. We have a zipper on the side. Whoa. And, oh, that is the longest tongue I've ever seen. Just saying. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow. Nice boot. It says 37. That's obviously a European size. Look at these strings. They're the length of a lasso. Anyway, they are very nice. If anyone wears a size 37 European, let me know, because they can be yours. The tongue alone is worth the boot. But wait, there's more. There is another boot that is the same size. So, 2 boots. Oh, wait. I think we have something else. And this one you can't even see. But how much do you want to bet? It's another pair of boots. Let's see. And these boots are also, well, I don't know they're boots because I haven't gotten them out yet. But Again, these are, yes, it's the same style boot and same size, 37 European. So just in time for winter. Anybody size 37, let me know. And that's everything in the box from Fun Delivered. If you would like a box of undelivered mail, you can go online to fun-delivered.com. They will let you know when more undeliverable mail is in stock so that you too can have the fun of opening other people's mail, which is something I wanted to do for years. Thank you, Fun Delivered, for a fun, worth the cost box. And thank you to everyone for watching my first unboxing. This could be the start of something big. Bye for now.